we take advantage of learning. While we are young, youth is the best time to absorb knowledge. The human brain is most adaptable when we are young. Studies show that young people learn faster and retain information more effectively than older individuals. This is why children pick up languages easily and why students in their early years can quickly grasp new concepts. If we take advantage of this natural ability, we can build a strong foundation of knowledge that will benefit us for the rest of our lives. Learning involves making mistakes. However, when we are young, mistakes are less costly. A young person who fails at a new skill or business idea has time to try again, learn from their errors, and improve. The older we get, the more responsibilities we have, making it harder to take risks. This is why youth is the perfect time to explore, experiment, and gain real-life experience without fear of major consequences. The skills and knowledge we gain today determine the opportunities we will have tomorrow. Whether it's learning a new language, developing technical skills, or gaining expertise in a subject, the more we learn, the more doors open for us. Employers look for skilled individuals, businesses seek knowledgeable leaders, and society rewards those who continue to grow. If we wait too long to start learning, we may miss out on these opportunities. Education and skill development are not just about getting a job. They help us grow as individuals. Learning teaches us discipline, patience, and problem-solving skills. It enhances our ability to think critically and make better decisions. These qualities are valuable not only in careers, but in everyday life. Increased confidence and independence. Knowledge gives us confidence. When we learn new things, we feel more capable and independent. Whether it's learning how to manage finances, fix a problem, or speak in public, education empowers us to handle challenges with confidence. Adapting to a changing world. The world is constantly evolving, and new technologies and industries are emerging every day. If we stop learning, we risk falling behind. By continuously developing new skills, we can adapt to changes in the job market and society. This ensures that we remain competitive and relevant no matter what changes come our way. Building meaningful relationships. Learning also helps us connect with others. When we educate ourselves, we can engage in deeper conversations, understand different perspectives, and contribute meaningfully to discussions. It allows us to meet like-minded individuals who share our interests and ambitions, creating strong and valuable relationships. A more fulfilling life. People who actively learn tend to lead more fulfilling lives. They have hobbies, passions, and a sense of purpose. They find joy in discovering new things and are less likely to feel stuck or bored. Learning keeps the mind active and gives life deeper meaning. Make learning a lifelong habit. Set clear goals. The first step to making the most of our youth is to set learning goals. These could be academic, professional, or personal. Do you want to master a language, learn to code, improve communication skills? Having clear goals helps us stay focused and motivated. Use available resources. We live in a time when knowledge is more accessible than ever. The internet provides free courses, books, and videos on almost any subject. Websites like Coursera, Khan Academy, and YouTube offer valuable learning materials. By taking advantage of these resources, we can learn anytime, anywhere. Surround yourself with growth-minded people. The people around us influence our mindset. If we spend time with individuals who value learning, we are more likely to develop the same habit. Joining study groups, attending workshops, or networking with successful people can inspire us to keep learning and improving. Practice what you learn. Learning is most effective when we apply it in real life. If you learn a new language, practice speaking it. If you study business, try starting a small project. Putting knowledge into action makes it more meaningful and helps us retain it longer. Stay curious and open-minded. Curiosity drives learning. Instead of seeing education as a task, we should view it as an exciting journey. Asking questions, exploring different subjects, and staying open to new ideas keep our minds active and engaged. Embrace challenges. Difficulties are a natural part of learning. Many people give up when they find something hard, but perseverance is key. When we push through challenges, we grow stronger and more capable. Every difficulty we overcome builds resilience and prepares us for future obstacles. Manage your time wisely. Time is one of our most valuable resources. Instead of spending hours on unproductive activities, we can dedicate time to learning. Even just 30 minutes a day can lead to significant progress over time. Prioritizing education and self-improvement ensures that we are constantly growing. Stay healthy. A healthy body supports a sharp mind. Regular exercise, a balanced diet, and proper sleep help us stay focused and energetic. Taking care of our physical and mental well-being enhances our ability to learn effectively. Start learning today. Being young is a privilege, and the best way to use this gift is by learning as much as possible. Education and skill development create opportunities, build confidence, and prepare us for a successful future. While we may feel like we have plenty of time, the truth is that the earlier we start, the more we can achieve. The world is full of possibilities, and knowledge is the key to unlocking them. Instead of waiting for the right time, we should take action now. Whether it's reading, taking courses, or gaining real-world experience, every step we take toward learning brings us closer to our dreams. So, take advantage of being young, invest in yourself, seek knowledge, and never stop learning. The choices we make today will shape the rest of our lives, and those who dedicate themselves to growth will always be ahead in the journey of success. The power of perseverance. Life is a journey filled with challenges, obstacles, and moments of doubt. Along the way, we face situations that test our patience, strength, and determination. In these moments, the easiest option is often to give up. However, success, personal growth, and true fulfillment come to those who refuse to surrender to difficulties. The ability to persist, to rise after failure, and to keep going despite hardships is what separates those who achieve their dreams from those who let obstacles define their limits. This essay explores the importance of perseverance, the reasons why people give up easily, and strategies to develop resilience. By understanding the power of persistence and embracing the mindset of never giving up, we can overcome challenges and achieve extraordinary things. Life is unpredictable. No matter how well we plan, unexpected difficulties arise. Whether in personal relationships, careers, education, or health, everyone encounters struggles. Some people fail an important exam, others lose their jobs, and some experience heartbreak or disappointment. These difficulties can make us feel weak, frustrated, or hopeless. However, challenges are not meant to break us. Instead, they serve as opportunities for growth. When we struggle, we learn. When we fail, we gain wisdom. If we always took the easy path, we would never develop strength, patience, or resilience. The key to success is not avoiding difficulties, but learning how to face them with courage and determination. Many people give up too soon, often just before they are about to succeed. But why does this happen? There are several reasons why people choose to quit instead of pushing forward. Fear of failure. Many individuals are afraid of failing. They believe that if they fail, it means they are not good enough. Instead of seeing failure as a lesson, they view it as the end of the road. Lack of patience. Success takes time. In a world where we expect quick results, many people do not have the patience to wait for success. If they do not see progress immediately, they give up. Low self-confidence. People who lack confidence in themselves often believe they are not capable of achieving their goals. They let self-doubt control their actions and stop trying before they even begin. Negative influences. Sometimes, the people around us discourage us. Friends, family, or society may tell us that our dreams are impossible, and we begin to believe them. Discomfort and hard work. Achieving anything great requires effort, hard work, and persistence. Many people prefer to stay in their comfort zone rather than push themselves to overcome difficulties. Comparison to others. Social media and society make people compare their progress to others. When they see someone else succeeding faster, they feel discouraged and quit instead of focusing on their own journey. Understanding these reasons is the first step to overcoming them. If we recognize why we feel like giving up, we can find ways to counteract those feelings and keep moving forward.